Quantum computer performed 2.6 billion years of computation in just 4 minutes, solving a problem that is far too complicated for even the largest classical supercomputer. This breakthrough was achieved by researchers in China using their 76-qubit photon-based quantum computer prototype named Zhuzhang. The machine, made of lasers, mirrors, prisms, and photon detectors, uses a technique called Gaussian boson sampling, which involves counting detected photons. With the ability to count 76 photons, Zhuzhang broke the 5-photon record of classical supercomputers. This is not just a theoretical proof, as Gaussian boson sampling could have practical applications in solving problems in quantum chemistry and math, and contribute to the development of large-scale quantum internet. Both quantum and classical computers try to solve problems, but the way they process data to get answers is completely different. The principles of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, are crucial for their operation and allow for faster computations than classical computers.
News. China has made its own sun. Yes, you heard it right. Scientists in China just set a new fusion world record with their artificial sun. Let's break down the facts. China's artificial sun, officially known as East Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, has made headlines by setting a new world record in nuclear fusion research. This breakthrough isn't just a scientific flex, it's a potential game changer for China's future. By leading the charge in nuclear fusion, China is positioning itself at the forefront of clean, limitless energy. This technology could benefit China in many ways. This could provide China nearly infinite energy with minimal environmental impact. It will help China secure long-term energy independence and cut greenhouse gas emissions drastically. China's experimental artificial sun set a world record by sustaining fusion plasma for 1,660 seconds at temperatures of 100 million degrees Celsius. 10 times hotter than the sun's core. On Earth, we don't have the extreme pressures to drive particles together to achieve fusion. Instead, scientists use extreme heat and magnetic fields to keep the plasma stable for fusion. While the rest of the world is still chasing the dream, China just took a huge step closer to bottling a star and turning it into the power grid of the future.
Is plasma shield technology becoming a reality? Not long ago, a Chinese defense university unveiled plasma shield technology. When you hear plasma shield, does it feel like something out of a movie? Truth be told, this technology does exist, and it's quite impressive. What makes it so remarkable? Because it can defend against electromagnetic weapons, microwave weapons, and similar attacks. Normally, anti-aircraft and anti-missile weapons developed in military circles protect military equipment from physical attacks like missiles. But plasma shield technology can block invisible and intangible stealth attacks, such as electromagnetic or microwave assaults. Do you remember some of the plans imagined by online netizens? Like plasma shields, fusion reactors, electromagnetic railguns, and so on, all hardcore sci-fi tech. Now, plasma shield technology, this seemingly magical technology, might just be entering reality by putting energy shields on weapons and equipment. However, the actual application and feasibility of this technology remain unclear. It's intriguing to think about what might be on the far side of the moon, isn't it?